Welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Jenny. I make homemaking and lifestyle videos, and I post 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you like what you see. Now when I look at Pinterest, I'm more looking for ideas and inspiration, not necessarily recipes to repeat verbatim. But sometimes I find a really good one and I have to. So I looked up healthy dinner recipes, and I'm really just looking for vibrant pictures, things I hadn't thought of before, maybe some interesting vegetable combinations. Maybe even some combinations I hadn't thought of before. Once I'm done making my grocery list, I'll go through my refrigerator and my pantry and mark off items that I already have that I don't need to purchase. Because I already have a couple items from Costco in my refrigerator and freezer, I'm just gonna head to Meijer and grab the last of these groceries that I need. All right, here's all of our groceries. Let me walk you through what we have. Alright, starting over here, we have lots of fresh fruit, tons of fresh produce. With the fruit, we'll make some smoothies. We have stuff for beef and broccoli, some pine nuts and parmesan for some homemade pesto, some avocado, tomatoes, we'll make some homemade guacamole. The guacamole I will serve with the romaine. We're going to do a Chipotle-inspired burrito salad. Over here we have the ingredients for Crunchwrap Supreme, and then, needed coffee and creamer. We have hamburger and hamburger buns and potatoes along with some eggs. We're going to make some potato salad to serve with the hamburgers. We'll grill up some chicken to go with the tortellini and homemade pesto. We'll also grill up some chicken to go with the Chipotle-inspired burrito bowls. Alright, and there you have it. Our week's worth of groceries. Alright, here's everything we need to cook dinner. Ingredients for homemade pesto, all of the fresh veggies that we're going to cut up and grill, as well as the chicken that we'll grill. Alright, let's get these veggies chopped.
Sweet rain and honest truth is what I get from you. No matter how hard I get the blues, you keep me steady, yet loose. When we in deciding games,
I don't know about you, but I sure do love eating a lot of fresh produce in the summer.
we can do it, we can do it. I know we'll find the missing frame. Sideways, up or down, it's all the same. We will do it, we will do it. Don't leave already. Oh no, no, I'm not that steady. Don't go too far now. We can do it, we can do it. When we in deciding game.
Cleaning out the insides of the peppers, they're just sweet peppers, so they're not hot, but the seeds in the membrane tend to just burn while they're on the grill, so I'm just making little pepper rings.
I know we'll find the missing frame. Sideways, up or down, it's all the same. We will do it, we will do
You'll see my husband walk in and out. He's actually working on our backsplash. So don't be surprised if you see my stove sitting in the middle of the kitchen or my husband kind of running in and out behind me all day long. I also have teenagers who are coming and going. After I chop the veggies, I'm tossing them all in a bowl. I will season them and give them a nice drizzle of oil. That way they don't burn while they're on the grill. Hi, Nick. He's so funny.
Say my name or say it twice.
I'm cooking everything outside today. My kitchen is under construction and it was just a lot easier to find a different place to cook. Luckily, I have a nice big grill that I can cook the meat, the veggies, and I also have a side burner that I'm boiling the water for the tortellini. Okay, inside to make the pesto. This basil is so fresh and delicious. I love having fresh herbs on my patio. 1 cup of basil, 1/4 cup of pine nuts, 1/4 cup of olive oil, a 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese, and the juice of half a lemon. I'm just squeezing it over my hand so that I catch the seeds. Salt, pepper, This is just a single serving of pesto. I started out with my food processor, but it really just wasn't enough pesto, and the processor was just struggling to give it the consistency that I was looking for. So I got my little smoothie blender. I don't know why I'm holding it. It's locked in place. Is that habit? Do you do that too? All right, much better. That's what I'm looking for. All right, let's get the chicken cut up. I'm just cutting it in half, cutting it in strips, and then cutting the strips into cubes. I accidentally put my other big knife that is much sharper in the dishwasher, so I'm left with this puny knife while the dishwasher is mid-cycle.
Cherishing what you hold dear, and we will make it the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it weighs a ton, but baby, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine.
Right about here, I'm realizing that my bowl is not big enough.
You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be
Bigger bowl to the rescue. There's the tortellini, our grilled veggies, the grilled chicken, and our homemade pesto. Just mixing this all together, and then we're gonna plate it up. I wish I had smell-o-vision. The fresh pesto, the grilled veggies and chicken, everything just smells so yummy. This looks so amazing. I cannot wait to eat dinner. Thank you so much for spending the day with me. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.